Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the main concepts of polymorphism called operator overloading. So if we talk about the operators, then we have the many operators like we have the plus, we have the minus, and we have multiplication kind of, we have so many operator overloading. Now internally, these operator overloading has their like special method, or we call them as a magic methods. So special variables or sorry, special methods which we have discussed, that is like come with the help of the double underscore, and then we use like init we used to have, name we used to have, kind of these things. So now in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to discuss about this operator overloading. Now for an example, here what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a one variable a equal to b and b equal to 2, and here what I will do, I will just say like c equal to a plus b, and when I will print this c is what it will give, it will result as in sum of 3, because it is adding. Internally what is happening, this plus sign is basically internally it is just finding a method called add, and that is the special method or the magic method. Similar way we have the different like types magic methods. So internally how it works, so for an example, these are the integers, so I will take integer dot, you will see there like special variables we have so many. I want to use the add. It has two parameter, one is the self, means the type integer, and the value. So here what I will say, a plus b, and when I will run this one, so what it is giving error, and reason is because instead of plus we have to give the comma, because these are going as a variable. When I will run this, it is giving the output as it is. Instead of add, it has the multiplication or subtraction method as well. When I will run this, it is coming the output as expected. Similar way, we have the same for the string also. Add, and what we have to do, we have to convert into the string first. So what it will do, as an add, it will concatenate these two and it is giving the output. So I mean to say, like every operator internal has their method to perform that particular task. Like if we are using integer and we are just saying add method, means it is doing the addition of these two. So now for an example, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a one class, and that class name is basically calculator, and here I'm just adding a like constructor, and that is the init, and it take two parameter, one is the a and b, and inside this one I'm just saying self dot a equal to a and self dot b equal to b. These two parameter I'm just saying. Okay, so self dot b equal to b, these two parameter I'm taking, and here what I'm trying to do, I'm just going to take like I'm just going to create an object of these two method, and what I'm saying, c1 equal to calculator, so calculator, and it will take 2 comma 3, and similar way I'm just creating another object and I'm just passing like 4 comma 5. Now what I want to add, so for an example, c3 equal to, I want to add these two student object. Can we do that? When I will run this at point of this time, you will see it is giving error, and it is saying unsupported operand type for plus calculator, means we don't have anything for calculator to add these two objects. That's why it is giving the error. When I will say print c, it will give the errors. Similar way, like it is not supporting. So what we have to do, we in that case we have to use the operator overloading. What we have to tell in this class, we have to create a method like if we see anything on the calculator class with the plus sign, perform that operation, means add those value. So in that case what I will do, I'll create a method, and obviously we have to use the special method, and that is the add. It take two parameter, one is the self, means like the object, and another is the value, other is the value. So how it will work, so for an example, when I'm going to create the object of the c1, so in that case what will happen, it will take the value, means the first value is the a, and for other one it will take another value. So it will go as in self, and it will go in as in other value. So here what I will do, I'll create a like any variable we can take, for an example like m1. So m1 equal to self dot a, and I want to add with the another value which is coming. So other dot. So here what I will do, I will take the parameter, and how I will take is the a, means the value which is coming. Similar way, I will take another variable that is m2, and here also self dot b plus other dot b. So these two parameter I'm just taking here. Now what I will do, I'll take another like m3, and in this what I'm going to do, I'm going to add calculator, and in this what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these two variable, means m1 as in parameter basically, comma m2, and what I will return, I will return here m3. So this way, like what we are returning, whatever the sum is there, we are returning these two value. Now in that case, when I will run like these two I'm adding, so c3 dot, when I will run and I will print a, let's see, when I will see it is 6, and for a you can see 4 plus 2 is basically come as in 6. When I will print b, and when I will run this, it is coming the 8, and even if you will run the full object of this, it is giving the object, means it's not giving the error to us. So this is the way what we can do, we can use the operator overloading. Similar way, this we have done for the add. Similar way you can explore for the multiplication, minus, subtraction, for any other magic method also. So this is the way operator overloading works. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.